Sasha. Day 1. Officially without the job. See how this thing's gonna go. Guess it's a lot more time to hang out and talk with you guys. Is this too close? They say we're supposed to stay like 6 feet. Or some shit like that, right? It's kind of like weird. Like right now I'd normally be getting ready to go to work, and that's not happening. Granted, there were a lot of times when I was at work I didn't want to be there anyway, but bills are going to accumulate. They're not canceling billing people because of this pandemic, so although they might be avoiding disconnection and stuff like that, but still, it's crazy. Anywho, so let's talk on a lighter note. I'm trying to get this thing
popping,
or whatever you want to call it,
jumping off.
I appreciate if you guys would subscribe and make sure you hit the bell notifications so you know when I post.
You don't have to.
We're going to be looking over how many people they've been arresting or have been arrested since Monday, so I'm going to go on the jail inquiry and look that up. But for now, I think I'm going to take the dogs out. So I'll catch up with you here in a little bit. Alright, it's a little later now. Dog's been walked. Looked into the jail inquiry. Since Monday up until however many people they got booked in today as of right now, 348 people they've locked up. They locked up 89 on Monday, 64 on Tuesday, 70 on Wednesday, 62 on Thursday, 44 yesterday, and 19 so far today. So Hillsborough let 164 inmates out, and we're still just locking them up. See, the sheriff's office and local agencies aren't really practicing social distancing. So I really got to be thinking about what I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to try to get out and do some filming, maybe get some interviews, see what the general public thinks about this hoopla. I know it's serious, but I think it's going to be a good thing to document this and get other people's opinions other than mine. Go out, maybe interact with some people at a safe distance. But it needs to be done. Possible stay home orders coming, but it'll be something similar to, I guess, what California is doing, where you can go out to get essential things. Not an all-out lockdown, but oh, what a crazy time to live in, right? I mean, come on. Jeez Louise. I'm hoping most of my subscribers watch this channel because they like me and the videos that I make. With that being said, please understand that the content may change a little bit due to the recent events with coronavirus. I'm a bachelor, okay?
Leave me alone.
Sorry for this. Spoke about this. I don't know if you can see, I've already been cleaning some of this. A lot of my dishes hardly get used and sit out that I have to like clean them again because they just collect dust. Yeah, hashtag bachelor life, hashtag.
What am I hashtagging for? Seriously.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and you're gonna sit here with me while I do it, I guess. Peace.
Well, like, so I had until 12 o'clock, man. I was so hungry, like,
Y'all don't understand. I didn't eat before I went either. Y'all don't even understand. I'm getting mad.
No, I understand. You're getting hangry just talking about it.
Y'all have a good night. I want a bit trouble.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem, man.
But yeah, I was like, so hungry. So I called him and listen, this is what happened. They almost didn't believe me, but I'm like, listen, this is really what happened. Like, so I went up there and they made it.
You had to go all the way up to Denny's and get your food.
I wanted to go home. But I wanted to go get my food. I was hungry. Especially like when we go to Walmart, a lot of times when people steal, they be like, well, I can go pay for it. I'm like, yeah, you could have went and paid for it.
I don't know why anybody want to steal the
There's
Walmart.
so many cameras in there, man.
It's not
so many
even,
cameras.
that's what I'm saying. I don't even know why they, places like Walmart would, cause you know, I've seen YouTube videos where they trip out about them, people filming in there. It's like, why would you even care? You're filming everybody in here already.
Yeah, you know what, I ain't never seen nothing like that. I've never paid attention, but it's
This
so
is
many
back
cameras.
like
There's
with,
so many cameras in there and like,
kids used to like have like vlog channels and try to stay overnight in a Walmart, like hide themselves in all the paper towels
and
and
like do the little prank things you talking about.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
I know. Yeah,
Can't walk down an aisle anymore without waving to yourself.
I do that when I see them.
Yeah.
And then it's sitting right in your face. Why not? I'm like, oh. No, it's
So that means you got an old one, right?
No, I got a 2018. The light's just different. So like theirs probably got the colors around it.
Yeah, that's what you said. The colored light bars are the newer ones.
You got color and you got clear.
Yeah.
I don't know which one I like.
I asked for a vehicle assignment so long ago, and I probably go talk to him again about it.
But we changed vehicles so much.
Well, the last time they said is they were waiting all the new Chargers to come in, so they were still
this
in
is
that.
2018. Well, it ain't that old. I mean, but it's 2018. I guess it's 2 years old now. It's 2020. But yeah, we trade vehicles. I was just in Impala. Like,
Oh, y'all like trade them out?
Yeah, it's like it's based on funding and availability. So it's like, yeah, I was in Impala, but now I'm in this. Now who knows how long I'll be in this before I go to something else.
And then if y'all are doubled up, is it always because of training?
For the most
Most
part,
of the time,
sometimes, yeah, for the most part. Or sometimes, you know, some people may just want to ride, or you got to ride along or something like that. You may see ride along and stuff, but I like my space. I like my space.
Yeah. That's funny you're talking all that different Walmart situations.
Man,
That's the first place I met you, remember? When you were parked out in front of the Walmart.
Dang, that's crazy. I'm at Walmart all the time. I get offended about when people steal out of Walmart. I like to shop at Walmart.
Yeah.
Which is I gotta break that. I got a bad habit of Walmart shopping at Walmart.
Well, they make it so easy to just go to one place and not have to go anywhere.
It does, but it's like you go for one thing and never leave out with what you.
Yeah.
You leave out with all this other stuff. And
Yeah, we've all been there. Like, I got to go to Walmart for this, and this, and you come out with like
all this stuff.
No, the restaurant that's known for disturbances around here, I'd say is probably Applebee's.
Oh my
I don't really go to.
That's disturbance
Maybe at
central.
night.
Over there.
It's packed in there at night, man.
Well, they have a well, they call it karaoke, but really what it is they have a DJ that comes in, and sometimes people will sing, but usually he's just taking requests of songs that people in the restaurant want.
I try to do karaoke.
And it gets crazy in there.
So it's like a club.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Almost,
y'all used to have to get detailed down there. It was Etienne used to be detailed down there a long time ago, and I used to work
I
there.
don't really like Applebee's too much. I don't know. I like Chili's.
They try to it's all the same, man.
That's what I feel like to me. It's all
Chili's.
It is, but I don't know. I don't know.
I like chili more than
I
Applebee's.
like Chili's too. I like to step out with homeless people too because, like me, I try to ask them like, how did you get in this situation?
I wonder that a lot too.
You do too. I ask them like, not even trying to like, you not in no trouble. Hey, I'm just because I'm talking to you. For one thing, but for two, how do you get in? And they tell me like, well, I did this, or started hanging around the wrong crowd, or one of them said he used to be in the academy, police academy and stuff back then, but he went and hit some for the first time and it wasn't right ever since. So I like to ask them because it's like, dang, how did you end up? How did it get this far?
Yeah.
Like, you know,
The hardest thing for me to understand is I have a hard enough time asking people I know and love for things that ask a complete stranger on the street for anything is just like weird to me.
I don't ask nobody. Well, unless I mean, it had to be extreme emergency, but I really don't, because now I feel like I'm taking out of your pocket, you know.
Yeah, like if I flip my car or something like that, I would probably ask anybody for help, but
you know, some people, they just...
To just see somebody for the first time on the street, be like, hey man, you got $1 or a few dollars or whatever.
See this person, he knows he's supposed to have a light on his bike.
Yeah.
But see, the
And
thing
see,
is,
that's what I'm
like,
talking about.
you
No
can see
attempt,
it.
no
Yeah,
attempt to stop whatsoever.
What was that? Oh, the
Don't,
dumpster?
don't.
I thought that was a crash.
Oh, me too. I'm like,
God,
what?
you went to work, me and crash before I go home.
Where's your light, man? Come on now.
He already knows, because I gave him a free light.
What? What's going on? Please don't let me have to work a day. Please. Please can you put a light on your bike? I don't want to have to work a day. Like, as long as you treat people with respect. I mean, sometimes sometimes you gotta step it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Sometimes people really ask for it though.
Yeah.
But as long as you treat people with respect and be nice. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? I'm good.
Happy New Year to you.
I apologize for this horrible quality picture, but this man who stopped by to say hi to Officer Fulgham earlier in the day was killed about a month later on his way to volunteer at a local pantry when he fell off his bike into the roadway and was struck by a van. Rest in peace. I'll insert the article later.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's all that matters. Stay out of trouble, please. Don't do that to me, man. Well, no, he knows he's supposed to have on the light on his bike. And he get hit, and, you know, I don't like stuff like that.
Yeah, I had the ones that go around the wheels and everything.
I'm not trying to harass
Yeah, it's
you.
just like if you get hit, that's...
Yeah, and I'm not trying to harass you whatsoever, but you know you're supposed to. You see how quick he stopped?
You didn't even approach him or anything. He was like,
He knew.
He knew.
I gave him one the other day.
For real?
At the police force, they give
No,
it
I
for
could have
free.
been wrong. And be
they
like,
do what
okay.
now?
They give you that, the light in the front.
They get at the police department. They'll give them to you.
The DOT gives them to us. And a traffic vest that says DOT on the back, but they'll give them to you.
I'm gonna come up there and get
Get
me.
one?
Get my. Yeah, I'm gonna get my
Nice life,
my
right?
setup. Yeah. I didn't know that.
My thing is, listen, I could have been easily.
They probably give them more for you guys to give out than they
Yeah,
do for
probably.
people to come up there and ask
Because look
for
at
it.
stuff like this. Like, what if
Yeah.
these people? You see, I already told these people.
I already know how much people driving cars disrespect people walking and on bikes
yeah,
all
like,
day long.
barely want to stop and all that stuff. Like, if people would have got hit, then I would have had to work there. And then what if people would have died? And that's something that, you know, there's just stuff like that. Like, don't put me in that predicament.
Right.
To have to work a day because you know you're supposed to have a light on your bike and you choose not to put one on your bike. And, you know, just
My
be
car
look.
will shut off.
Okay. I'm just saying that. Oh, your car? No.
Oh.
It didn't normally turn on?
It just turned off.
It's supposed to do that?
No, it ain't.
I don't know. I'm too nice. Ours don't turn on. You have to turn ours on. And I'm push to start. So
What the hell is that even?
A Ford. Oh, let's turn back on.
Thank God.
Whoa.
But did you guys just turned off?
It just straight died on you. Wow.
But yeah, stuff like that, man.
Computer can't be drained better than that.
You put a light on your